Namaste children. Today we are going to see homologous series. So here homo means something same. Series, sequence. So here what is same? A series of compound in which same general formula, same functional group, same chemical properties are present, then that kind of series is called a homologous series. So a carbon is a treasure box. In carbon compounds, we are able to see this homologous series. Shall we try a series like that? Here and series and alkane. The last three letter you must notice ANE. It has a general formula CnH2n plus 2 where the N can be 1. When N is 1, it is the formula CH4 methane. When N is 2, C2H6. C2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. It is ethane. When N is 3, C3H8, it is propane. When N is 4, C4H10, it is butane. When N is 5, Cn. So 5 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So C5H12, it is pentane. So now we are framed 5 series in this alkane family. Now let us see the first two member. What is the difference in the first two member? So if you are seen, one carbon is increased and hydrogens. Here 4, here 6. So 2 hydrogens are increased between first member and second member. The successive member differ by CH2 group. Let us see the second and third. You see that here also one carbon and 2 hydrogens. Let us see in third and fourth. The successive member 3 and 4. What is the difference? See once again the same C and 2 hydrogens. Now between 4 and 5. Between 4 and 5 again 1 carbon, 2 hydrogens. So when we see this is the difference, the successive member differ by CH2 group in this series. This is also one kind of important factor for the homologous series. So now what is a molecular mass difference? If you are seeing the carbon is 12 mass, atomic mass of carbon is 12 and 2 hydrogen, each hydrogen 1. So 12 plus 2, 14 mass unit. So the successive member differ by 14 mass unit. So homologous series is a series of compound in which same general formula, same functional group, same chemical properties are present. Now for this alkane series, what is the general formula? CnH2n plus 2. And all these alkane will possess the same chemical properties. And here the successive member differ by CH2 group and molecular mass by 14 units. And all these are single bond compound. These alkanes are single bond compounds. Here all the carbon is attached with the hydrogen only by single bond. The structure of first compound, it is a methane. So here single bond compound. Let us try the second compound, ethene. So 2 carbon each attached by single bond. So totally 6 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3 here 3. So you check that carbon valency is always 4. Carbon is tetravalent. So carbon is tetravalent. So it is a structure of ethane. You can see all these are connected each other by single bond. So alkane series are single bonded compound. Now let us see the next compound, next series with a double bond. Here homologous series for alkenes. So what is a general formula for alkenes? CnH2n. So in this the first member of this series is ethene. The last 3 letter ends up with ene. Ethene C2H4. It is the first member. So here in between any two carbon atom there should be double bond. That is alkene. So here the first member is carbon with 2. So when N is 2, so it is C2H4. It is ethene. When NS3, C3H6, propene. When NS4, C4H8, butene. When NS5, C5H10, pentene. So here also we can try the successive member. So you can see the successive member. One carbon is increased and two hydrogens are increased. Again CH2 unit. Now between number 3 carbon and number 4 carbon. So here the first member will start only with carbon number 2. So now between 2 and 3 again that same CH2 group. Between 3 and 4. So one carbon is increased and two hydrogens are increased. And molecular mass by 14 units. So it is a homologous series of alkene. So here it is having double bond. So let us try the first structure. It is a carbon with minimum one carbon, one bond you try to write. Then as it is ene, so again one more bond. So now 1, 2. So totally 4 bonds for this first carbon. Second carbon again 2 bonds already over. Third bond and fourth bond. So 4 valency for carbon. Whether it is alkane or alkene, always carbon valency is 4. It is here satisfied with double bond with another carbon. So it is ethene. Same way when we write propene, the next 3 carbon. So first we will write 3 by 1 single bond. As it has ENE compound, between any 2 carbon atom there should be a double bond. Now I am writing a double bond here. So 2 valency is over, third, fourth valency. For that middle carbon, 1, 2, 3 valencies are over, only one hydrogen we are able to write. Now for the third carbon here, one bond is over already, so 3 more. So write hydrogen everywhere and count and see how many hydrogen comes. So 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens. So it is C3H6, it is propene. So here in between any 2 carbon there should be a double bond, that is called alkene series. Here the functional group we can say double bonded compound group it is. So here also the successive member differ by CH2 group and by 14 mass units. Same way try yourself for alkynes. So the general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. In this, the first member of this series, alkyne series is ethine, C2H2. Here, this alkyne series will have triple bond between any 2 carbon atom. So, you try yourself this alkyne series, and here also the successive member will differ by CH2 group and by 14 mass units. Try yourself, children. Thank you. Namaste.